A new version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 with better cameras, bigger displays, and a slimmer frame is reported to be in the works at Samsung. According to certain sources, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra might be its name. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim is brought up by others. Now that reliable leaker Ice Universe has revealed the identity of the slimmer variant's true name, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, we may anticipate to see a larger cover screen with an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9, akin to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Z Fold 6 Slim will also include a titanium frame, which is a first for the Galaxy Z series. The cover screen and inner screen are said to be bigger than those on the standard Z Fold 6 at 6.5 and 8 inches, respectively. The Z Fold 6 Slim is projected to be more expensive because to its improved specs, but it is predicted to be lighter and thinner than the normal Z Fold 6, in line with folding phones from Chinese manufacturers. Launched in the fourth quarter of this year, the official announcement is expected to come between October and December. Rumors have it that the phone will only be available in a few countries, like China and South Korea, with the W25 variant expected to be released in China. Meanwhile, some sources suggest that Samsung may have eliminated the S Pen digitizer from the inner screen, which is a feature of the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6, in order to lower the thickness and weight of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim. This alteration could prevent the future foldable phone from supporting the S Pen pen. Though specifics on enhanced cameras are presently few, rumors abound. The cost of the phone is one urgent issue that still has to be answered. According to recent sources, Samsung has chosen to drop the premise that the Galaxy Z Fold Fan Edition, which retails for $1,899, is a more affordable option than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Though it could have to give up some features, the slim version should be more reasonably priced than the flagship model. Not only does the Z Fold 6 Slim support the S Pen, but there are differing views on when it will be released. Its absence from Galaxy Unpacked makes a 2024 release seem a little strange. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.